Hello everyone, I'm Swarnima Saxena and today we have to start our topic, that is respiration. So let's start with our topic. The topic is respiration. So let's know about our topic. The process of releasing energy from food is called respiration. Respiration is a process in which the energy is taken from the food. Then the process of respiration can be written as food plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. It means the process of respiration involves taking in oxygen into the cells, using it for releasing energy by burning food, and then eliminating the waste products, that is carbon dioxide and water, from the body. And then the process of respiration, which releases energy, takes place inside the cell of the body, so it is known as cellular respiration, which means the respiration which releases energy inside the cell. It is known as cellular respiration. This respiration takes place inside the cell. Carbon dioxide is known as the real waste because its accumulation is harmful for us. Carbon dioxide is the real waste because its accumulation is harmful, as if we have so much of carbon dioxide accumulated in our body, it will cause many diseases for us. Many people have misconception that respiration and breathing is the same process. So now let's see the main difference between them. Breathing is intake of oxygen and release of carbon dioxide. It is basically inhalation and exhalation of the air. And where respiration is breathing as well as oxidation of food and release energy. Respiration is when the breathing also takes place and the oxidation of food also takes place simultaneously. Then breathing is a physical process, whereas respiration is a biochemical process. Here breathing involves only lungs, where respiration involves mitochondria, which is present in the cells. And some other points of respiration are it helps in the release energy from simple food like glucose. It also helps in release of energy from simple food like glucose. It breaks into further parts, and it is opposite of photosynthesis. The process of respiration is totally opposite of photosynthesis. Now let's study about anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration takes place without oxygen. That means oxygen does not take place in this reaction. Oxygen is not involved in this reaction. Now, glucose, when in cytoplasm, when it converts into pyruvate, then the process is known as glycolysis, and then pyruvate, in the absence of oxygen, with yeast, react to form ethanol plus carbon dioxide plus 2 ATP of energy. Here, ethanol is the basic type of alcohol. Now, in aerobic respiration, the microorganisms like yeast break down glucose to ethanol and carbon dioxide and release energy. The energy is then used by the microorganisms to break down glucose or food during the respiration carried out by anaerobic respiration. Produces much less energy, which gets stored in the ATP molecules. When anaerobic respiration takes place in our body, then glucose is converted into lactic acid. When anaerobic respiration starts to occur in our body, then when anaerobic respiration takes place in our body, then glucose is converted into lactic acid. When anaerobic respiration takes place in our body, then lactic acid is produced in our body. Here the equation is glucose when converts to pyruvate by the process of glycolysis, and the pyruvate, in the absence of oxygen in the muscle, reacts to form lactic acid and 2 ATP of energy, where the sudden build up of lactic acid in our muscles during vigorous physical activity can cause muscular cramps. During heavy physical exercise, most of the energy in our body is produced by aerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration and muscles provide only some extra energy which is needed under the condition of heavy physical activity. The anaerobic respiration by the muscles bring about partial breakdown of glucose to form lactic acid. Now let's understand the basic difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration, it takes place in the presence of oxygen, and anaerobic respiration takes place in the absence of oxygen. Aerobic respiration in which complete breakdown of food takes place, and in anaerobic respiration partial breakdown of food takes place. Here in aerobic respiration, end product is carbon dioxide and water. And here in anaerobic respiration, end product is ethanol. Carbon dioxide is in the case of fermentation, and lactic acid is in the case of anaerobic respiration, which takes place in the muscles of the people due to excessive exercises. And in aerobic respiration, it produces considerable energy. It produces 38 ATP energy, which is considerable. And in anaerobic respiration, it produces very less energy, which is 2 ATP. So here we come to the end of our topic today. So in the next part, we will study about the respiration in plants and animals. And if you have any queries related to the topic, you may comment in the comment box, and please like, subscribe and share to my channel, and please do comment to let me know.